I think that the commercial kitchen will positively impact Ashe County businesses by having an opportunity for caterers, for entrepreneurs, for the growing wedding venue business to expand their offerings.
We want this to be an economic opportunity for the people of Ashe County. Hopefully it's a stepping stone for someone to start that food-based business and maybe roll that into a restaurant or something bigger, but it's all about opportunities and providing that for the citizens of Ashe County.
It makes more people have availability to do catering jobs and so forth.
Someone who might be exploring opening up a food-based business, whether that's a food truck, the next greatest chocolate or cookie.
We're also entrepreneur friendly, so it gives them lots of chances to grow or even begin a business.
All they need to bring is a recipe or an idea and start in a low-risk environment where we've got the equipment. They don't have to make the huge investment.
And it also will serve as a regional plus for neighboring counties and even further away to come and use the facilities and expand their offerings as well.
If you're interested in using the High Country Commercial Kitchen, the first thing you should do is call our office at 336-846-5850. We'll walk you through the kitchen to see if it meets your needs. If you decide that this is a fit for your business, you will want to fill out our application process and look at our fee schedule online. Then get a permit with the health department. Make sure we have a copy of your general liability policy, copy of your ServSafe certificate for some member on your staff. After that, we'll get you a security key card and you can start using the High Country Commercial Kitchen.